Having read that the Elephant and Castle roundabout has some of the heaviest traffic flows in London, I went to have a look on 27th November 2013. What I found was a G4S van causing a dangerous obstruction for cyclists. So I took some video and phoned the police. They said it was a redway, that stopping required a licence, that such licences were hardly ever issued, and that Transport for London has responsibility for policing the roundabout. So I emailed TfL. An automated response told me that we will endeavour to respond to you within 15 working days. I resent the email and the video on 23rd December, 4th January and 18th February. Each reminder brought the same response. So here is my question. Does TfL care more about G4S than about cycling safety?